Welcome back to my channel. Okay, if you know Philippines, if you are a Filipino, okay, let me talk in Filipino, okay? Nag-uulan na naman, Diyos ko, day. Ito, ang klase ko, makalat yan, sorry. Aray, sakit. Let me check your teeth. Oh, masyadong maliwanag. Oh, Christmas tree namin. Oh. She drives people insane. Oh my God. My dogs are just chilling. Nasaan na naman si Mama? Ayun. Sino makita si Ellie Charles? Ellie Charles. Maluto ako ng pancit canton. Battery. She drives people insane. Oh. Never mind. Huwag muna tayo magluluto dahil hindi ko alam kung ano. Wala ko naka siya. Oh. So, pinangalan ko yung kotse namin. Okay, tatlo yung kotse namin. Hindi na lang nakita yung isa. Yung isang red namin kotse, Redstone. Yung isa naming kotseng gray, Silver Sparks. Tapos, yung isang kotse namin, as in, motor. Kay papa ko yun. Pinangalan kong Brownie. And, as in, si Aloha. Teddy bear ko din. Tatlong teddy bear ko. Dalawang boba plushie. Tapos, isang ice cream plushie. Yung dalawa, yung pangalan, Love. Tapos, Bobby. Yung Love kay Mama, yun hindi talaga tatlo yung yung teddy bear ko. Yung si Love kasi kay Mama, si Mama yung nagpangalan. Yung si Bobby akin, tapos si Sprinkles akin. Pinangalan ko She's my... Matiktak tayo. Ginagayan ko lang siya. I'm shopping too fast. I'm too fast. Going, they don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Just wait. They don't love you like I'm not. See like I love you. I love you. See, I say love you. Oops, my baby. Bum, 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 bum. Oops, we broke up. It's a 3-minute thing. I don't know. It's raining again. She drives people insane. Pipito always rain. Pipito always rain. In Philippines kasi puro bagyo na bagyo. I'm gonna watch you. I'm gonna let you watch the raining thing. It's Mother Nature. I like that cool breeze. Ay, great. Kasi gusto mo ng cool breeze. She drives people insane. She always rains in Philippines. Pipito always disaster. Yung ido na yan ng aso na yan, nakakasura na. Great, nakakasura lagi.